Okay, everybody, today's mini lesson is on adjetivos posesivos, otherwise known as possessive adjectives. We have these in English, and they function in a very similar way. The only difference is in English, they're invariable, meaning we don't see a change between singular and plural or masculine and feminine. However, they do go in the same position, right in front of the noun that they're going to modify, and they work like this. My, mi, mis, you're in the informal, tú, tus, his, her, or your in the formal, su, sus, our, and we have gender here, nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, nuestras, or their, or your in the plural, su and sus. That's not a typo. You do see it repeated between the singular and the plural forms for his, her, your, and their. I'll explain more in a second. So as we're looking at these possessive adjectives, we can see examples in the top of my. In English, we would just use the word my over and over again. My brother, my sister, my brothers, my sisters. However, in Spanish, we have to consider, is it singular or plural? So we're going to say mi hermano, mi hermana, mis hermanos, mis hermanas. When we're looking at the word your, we have tu papá, tu mamá, tus primos, tus abuelos. For the third column, we could actually understand these to mean lots of different things. Su amigo, su amiga, sus amigos, sus amigas. Now, at first glance, you might think sus is the plural there, but that's not necessarily true. The word that's important is the word being modified, the word in the noun form that is being modified by the adjective. That's what's dictating everything. So, this could be understood his friend, her friend, their friend, your friend. It's because amigo is singular in the masculine form. That's why su is singular. While over here, sus amigos, this could be his friends, her friends, their friends, your friends. Again, it's going to be the context that will dictate that, and amigos is what's dictating the sus. And you can see this really clearly with the form of nuestro, nuestra, nuestros, y nuestras. If I'm talking about our uncle, it doesn't matter if it's me and my brother or me and my sister or two sisters talking about their uncle. We're going to see the word tío is masculine, so this becomes then nuestro tío. So think about the word the that would go with each of these nouns. The word the for tío is el tío, so it has to be only one option, nuestro tío. While tía is not el tía, it's nuestra tía because the word is la tía. So we say nuestra tía. It's the feminine form, so this could be my brother and myself talking about our aunt, nuestra tía. Nuestros tíos, nuestras tías. Really quickly, the importance of the accent mark, la importancia del acento en el significado. In the left column under the green, you can see these are adjectives. Okay, these are words that are going to modify a noun. While in the right columns, in the blue, we can see that these are pronouns. These are actual people or things, right? These represent people and things. And so on the left column, all of these things in the green that you see are actually going to need a noun to be complete. My, me, your, tú, the, el, or this, esta. That's not a complete word, right? We need my something, your something, the something, this, whatever. While the pronouns, los pronombres, you see the accent mark, and that becomes then a person or thing. Mi, tú, él, esta. There is zero difference in pronunciation between the adjective and the pronoun form. But when we want it to be a person or a thing, we have to put the accent mark. Otherwise, we're just simply making the adjective form me. So, me, my, me. No difference in sound, but the accent is essential to know if it's talking about you or your, he or the, etc. Your turn for practice. So you can see in the box below, in la tabla, you have all these different possessive pronouns in English with their Spanish word. Go ahead and use that form to consider which possessive adjective you need to use in order to complete the box. Go ahead and pause the video. See when you are done how well you did. Pause. Great job. Hopefully you came up with these answers. My tía, mi tía. My tías, mis tías. We can see for mamá, nuestra mamá, papá, nuestro papá, and primo, tu primo. I don't know if you noticed or not, but there's a pattern in all that purple color where we see the word su repeated over and over and over again. That's to really demonstrate for you that there is a bunch of different meanings that we can come up with when we say su. The context will make it clear to whom we're referring. So, su primo can be your cousin, their cousin, her cousin, so on and so on. Muchas gracias y adiós.